Hey everybody, welcome back to Lifeline Financial. Today we're going to talk about 4 ways you can protect your money while shopping during the holiday season. Hey, so this holiday season, you're going to be spending a lot of money and you're going to spend it more frequently than you have all year. Today, I'm going to give you a couple ideas on how you can protect your cash so that way you won't have any surprises while you're out shopping this year. Update your bank info and also set up alerts. By updating your bank info, the bank has a way to reach you in case fraud is happening on your account. Or if they wanted to check in on you to make sure that no one is using your account and just give you like a courtesy call, they have a way to reach out to you rather than having an old outdated phone number or an old outdated email and they're not able to reach out to you. The last thing you want is to have a surprise, your card's cut off in the middle of shopping because they don't have a way to reach you. By setting up the notifications on your app or setting up notifications with your bank, you can get notified as money is leaving the account or if you're using your debit card or credit card. This is going to benefit you so that way if fraud ever happens, you can kind of almost tell specifically when it happens because you'll get a notification on your phone saying money is leaving your account. And if it's not you, you can call quickly to get that taken care of rather than not knowing and then using your debit card and the next thing you know there's money not in the account, you're getting declined because you were not notified of this happening. Number 2, credit cards and cash are your best friend. Cash eliminates any opportunity of fraud happening because it's a cash transaction. On credit cards, if you have a transaction that come across that you didn't do, it's very easy. You call your credit card department, you file a claim, they wipe it from your account. That's how credit cards work. The more you use your debit card, just statistically, the more you're going to open yourself up to fraud happening on the account. It's only bound to happen. So you have to be very selective on where you spend your money and how you spend your money. The same goes for websites. You have to make sure that when you buy online, that you're buying from secured websites, secured checkouts, because you don't want to buy from a website or a phishing website and give out your account numbers and the next thing you know, you're buying things over in a different state or a different country that you don't live in. You want to make sure that you avoid those transactions, which is going to save you a lot of headache being able to get a new debit card during this time of year when you need to be doing shopping or you need to be spending money and you be without your debit card. Number 3, you want to be cautious of ATMs. You don't want to use an ATM for convenience, but then at the same time, in the off chance, give up your information due to skimmer fraud. One thing you can do is if you use your primary bank's ATM, not only do you avoid the surcharge, but you're able to get your money from a secured ATM and go about your day. Sometimes when you do things for convenience, if an ATM looks like it's being repaired, if it's been altered, those can cause you the longest headaches or the biggest headaches down the road, where you have to file a claim, worry about getting your money back, have to get a temporary card. You want to stay clear of those because those are headaches you just don't need during this time of year. Number 4, traveling. While you're out and about and traveling through air or by driving, you want to make sure that you're covered while being on the road. The first thing you can do is set a travel notice to prevent any surprises while being out on the road. The second thing you can do is carry backup cash or backup way of paying through debit card or credit card in case something does happen, you have a backup. Thirdly, if you're driving by car, you want to map where you're going from point A to point B so that way you know your route, you know your stops, you know where your stretch is going to be in between cities, and also carrying your insurance card. So that way if you need to reach out to a tow truck, if you need gas, if you run out of gas, you have someone that can come to you while you're away from home. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you like something you saw, if you learned something, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Also share this with a family. During the holiday season, people typically spend a lot of money. You want to make sure they're protecting their money as well as you are as well. So share this to someone who may need it.